I was vacuuming and cleaning and dusting to shake out some stuff. The weirdest thing happened. Apparently, well, I'll just show you. Good morning. Good morning. Hello. Good morning. No, I'm over here. I'm not in the front. I'm over here. Hi. They think I'm in the front. They think I'm at the front window talking to them. Guys, I'm over here. Hi. Guys, it's hi. Good morning. Hello, guys. I'm over here. I'm up here. Can you look up? Can you look up? Hi, good morning. Hi, guys. Hi, little kindergartners. Oh, are you trying to reach me? Hi. All right, I'll come down with your supper in a minute. Okay.